Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at how do we use Raz Kids. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding where do I find, the assigned books, the assessments for books, and the assessments for sight words. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So when you first go onto Raz Kids, you're either going to put Raz, Raz Kids Plus, Raz Kids, and then it's going to take you to this site here. You're going to go to Kids Login. Then what you're going to do is you're going to see our classroom. So these are everybody's names and icons and stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your child's name. I have put test to test things out. And then you're going to put in the password. And all of the children should know their passwords. Now, one of the confusions that was happening is that there was two sites. There's the reading and vocabulary. Vocabulary, whenever there's a vocabulary assignment, I will let you know on the checklist. There's no vocabulary this week. So there in the outline I had mentioned that whenever there's a vocabulary assignment, they have to pick 7 words and then they have to write sentences on that. They do not have to do that this week because this week we're focusing on assessment only. So we're going to go to reading room, which is the room that you're going to access. Now, whenever I assign a flight check or that's the assessments. The flight check is the assessments. So whenever I assign a book or sight words that they have to read, it's going to take you automatically. This will pop up. Now I have assigned myself the sight words. So you just click on record. Do you have time? It's going to ask you, do you have time to complete this activity? They will say yes. Now, one thing, whenever it's a flight check, I do want to say this is very crucial. Parents, when please go ahead and help them set up the microphone, make sure that they log in okay and stuff like that. But whenever there's a flight check, please, 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 I am kindly asking that you do not help your child with reading out loud the sight words or reading out loud the books. The reason for this is because this is a chance for me to really hear how they're reading and how are they memorizing their sight words. So go ahead and set them up, but this is what it looks like when the child sees it. Do you have time to complete this activity? Yes. Make sure this will pop up. I highly recommend that you use Firefox or Chrome. Because if the mic is not on, then it will not work and I will get nothing. So I highly recommend that you either use Firefox or Chrome. So you're going to hit allow. Then they're going to go through and they're going to say the words. Now they should see between, I believe I assigned 9 of these. I will double check. So once they're done, this is what's going to pop up. Congratulations. It will send me their recording of either the sight words or the book. And then they're done. They could go back to their reading room. Now, one of the things that I wanted to talk to you about, there's no more flight check. The flight check is gone. Usually the flight check icon will appear here in this area. But it's gone now because we completed our test. One of the things that will happen that I recommend doing is if your child wants to go through, I don't recommend doing all the sight words in one sitting. What I recommend is that they work on something else and then they come back. One thing you have to do though is log out to access the next test. And then log in and out each time you want to see the sight word test pop up or the books for this week. So there's different features to this. So the first room is the reading room. And here, your child could access any books that they want. I have, as we're doing the assessments, I'm giving your child the level that they are on. So, for example, some of us might be on level I. You do not have to wait for me to assign you a book. You could just go, if your child's on level I, they could just go here to this room, and there's all these books that they could read and listen to. Next up, if we go back, is my assignment. My assignment is tied in with vocabulary, and it is also tied in with the reading room. So anytime that I assign a book that's not an assessment, it will be in this room. And what it means is, again, it's an opportunity for me to listen how the child is reading, what is their reading comprehension, and how are they responding to the questions. So whenever I say there's an assignment in your Raz Kids, then you go to this area where it says my assignment. When I say it's an assessment, you should go to flight check. But flight check will automatically pop up, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so these are just some other features that I just wanted to go through and kind of work things out. These are all the books, on their level. It keeps track of what they're reading, what they've done. Okay, so if you have any more questions, please feel free to message me. Hopefully this video helps. If you need any further assistance, just go ahead and let me know, okay? Hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.